Hi guys, this is Joe from Techie Lobang. Welcome to this channel. If you are new to this channel, feel free to subscribe as I'll be uploading a video every week. A few days ago, I received this package from DHL and I sort of know what it is because I've been waiting for it for some time already. And I would like to open it up together with you, and let's do it now. Okay, I have my trustworthy cutter here. And yes, the item here is from Sildio. Sildio is a brand that has been working with them for some time already, and I believe this is the latest earpiece from them. It's called the Sildio At. So without further ado, let me open it out. Okay, the box is a little bit out of shape due to the transportation, but anyway, let me open it up here. As usual, they always surprise me with nice packaging. Okay, there's nothing inside here. So of course, this is the Sildio Act, and this is the gift bags. The gift bag that usually will come with it. And let me see what are those. Oh, it's a tote bag. So I like tote bag. Music is a universal language. Oh, it's nice. I like it. Yeah. So let's come to this Sildio At. So before I open up, let me share with you. Okay. Oh no, you see the spelling is wrong on this package. It's noise cancellation and noise cancelling, and it's spelled wrongly. This is bad. But anyway, let me open it up. This is the color that I chose. There's pink color, white color, black color, and the green color. So I chose the green color because I don't remember I have any earpiece that is in green in color. So I think this will be interesting. It has quite a number of connections that you can use, and I think more important for me is the IPX5 water protection, and also I think one of the more important one for me is the active noise cancelling feature. And other than this, of course, I do like to have extra chargers using this this container. And yes, it has wireless charging using the Qi or key, and it seems like it has a lot of ways, a lot of sizes for you to fit your ear. So in total, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them. Okay, here is something interesting: 5 sizes of parabolic ear teeth. So this is something different. This one is the conic ear tips. So depending on your ear type and your preferences, you can use whichever one you like. Okay, let me open it up now. Okay, my trustworthy cutter. I love it. It's green in color. I believe my first set of earpiece with green color. Before I go into this, let me share with you what you have it in this package. So you have the accessories, USB-C cable, okay, USB-C cable, and let me share. And these are the ear tips, a lot of them for you to choose: XL, S, XS, large, and these are the 3 different types that I mentioned just now. And instructions, so I think I'll go through it later. So let's look at this little guy here. Okay, let me open it up. Okay, it's a typical arrangement from Sudio to have this leather piece here. So you can actually take it out if you don't like it, but so far I think I'll keep it. Okay, these are the 2 earpiece. This is Sudio at. Let me zoom in. This is Sudio at a right and the left, and it's interesting to know that it has a physical button, and if I'm not wrong, you can use it individually. That means you don't need to use it as a pair, you can use it individually. And it has SBC coding, that means subband coding instead of aptX, and it is using Bluetooth 5.0, which has a range of about 10 meters. Plus, I think one of the most interesting things about this is that if you use it, once there's an incoming call, it actually let the ambient sound comes in, so that you have a balance of the call itself and also the outside noise, and that will prevent you from shouting or talking loudly when you're receiving a call. I have not tried it out yet, but I guess that is the purpose of that. So I think it's quite similar to any other earpiece that I have. So I'll pair it out and I'll let you know how is it. A bit about this Sudio. I like their product, however they do not have one thing that I think is important, that is an app. They do not have any app, so that means if I have to use this earpiece, I cannot control any of the feature. For example, like if let's say you have an app, you might be able to adjust some equalizer, or you might be able to adjust the noise cancellation, the power of the noise cancellation. But because it doesn't have an app, you can't do anything like this. And also I guess it is a little bigger than I expected. I was expecting a slightly thinner one, but it seems to me that I mean the real thing is a little bit bigger than I thought. I will try it out later, but then this is the unboxing video, so I think that is it for now for this unboxing. So I'll see you around, and if you have any question about this Sudio at, do let me know and I'll try it out for you. And that is it for now. Thank you so much.